How to check screen time on Android 16 or any Android phone. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to check your screen time on Android 16 or any other Android device. If you want to see your daily app usage, how long you spend on apps like WhatsApp or Instagram, how many notifications you receive, or how many times you open an app, this feature makes it super easy. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing in the latest version or Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls in the older version. Once you're inside, you'll see an overview of your daily screen time. Tap on View App Activity Details to see a complete breakdown. Now you can see total screen time for the day, which apps you used the most, how many times each app was opened, how many notifications each app sent. For example, if you tap on WhatsApp, you'll see total time spent on WhatsApp today, number of times you opened the app, total notifications received. This helps you understand exactly how you're using your phone. You can also set an app timer if you want to limit app usage data. To do that, tap on the app you want to limit. Then tap App Timer. Choose a time limit, like 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 2 hours. Then tap OK. Once you reach that time limit, the app will pause automatically, and you won't be able to use it again until the next day, unless you remove the timer. That's how simple it is to check and manage screen time on your Android device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.